Hello, I'm Katie and welcome to the Planners channel. Today I'm out and about running errands and shopping for a few little craft supplies, planner supplies. We're gonna hit up Hobby Lobby, Michael's and JoAnn. And also first up, I'm gonna run into Sally Beauty because I wanna look for those super cute tweezers that Wrong designed. So let's start there, let's go. Here are those adorable tweezers, and also there are files to match, and they're only $1. All right, time for Hobby Lobby, let's go. I always check the clearance section to see if there are any planner goodies. This time they only had one thing. The planner aisle was fully stocked. They had lots of stickers. The new planners for 2022. Hobby Lobby has sales on planners and planner stickers every so often. This week, 40% off. This is one sticker book, Papillon, that I don't have. This planner is gorgeous with those copper metal discs. All right, we made it through Hobby Lobby. Not really anything that caught my eye, so now we're gonna drive through Starbucks, get me something yummy, and then head over to Michael's and JoAnn and see what they have. This is the good JoAnn that we're going to. That always has a lot of stuff, so I'm hoping they're gonna have some goodies for us. And then the Michael's is kind of like hit or miss, so I mean, you never know. That's why you have to go to the stores and just see what they have. Leave a comment and tell me what is your favorite store to shop for planner supplies? Like, which one's your favorite? One sticker book on my shopping list for myself, Simply Lovely. So that went in my cart. Always go to the clearance section and look to see what they're hiding back there. So many good stickers and planner goodies in the clearance. Oh my gosh, you guys, the traffic is crazy out here today. It is a beautiful day for sure. Let's see. It is 70 degrees, sunny and breezy. I mean, you cannot ask for a nicer day. Oh, here's Michael's. We're here. Let's go shopping. I wanted to share two of my favorite storage items from Michael's, starting with the craft cart, which now comes in every color. This is my other favorite item, the washi tape drawer organizer. And I found something new. They have a 3-tier adjustable bin, which look, it even has planner stickers in the picture. Marshall's is another place you can check for planner goodies. Just, you never know what they're gonna have. You just have to check and see for yourself. Okay, so I went to Hobby Lobby, JoAnn, and Michael's, and didn't find very much today, but I have a little bit more time, so I'm going to head over to HomeGoods because I just want to check for any kind of goodies I might want for my craft room makeover. And you never know what they're going to have. Sometimes they have some surprises. Let's go check it out. I loved these glitter pen holders. So cute. I would love to have those, but I don't have space on my desk. The other thing I liked was this Ray Dunn tape dispenser. So cute. They also had some really good designer notebooks too. I want a cute footstool for under my desk, but I want it in pink. I went ahead and picked up this pretty neutral planner to send in Happy Mail. The store has a great pen aisle with like everything. Pencils, pens, markers, and my favorites, Tombow. Okay. Done shopping. I got the sticker book I wanted. I got a planner to send in Happy Mail. Didn't find much else, but I like to go to the stores just to go check and see, and now I know I'm not missing out on anything. They had tons of storage stuff. Storage was on sale this week. I hope you have a good time shopping or watching the shopping at least. Hit that thumbs up button. Let me know if you liked watching the shop with me. Subscribe to watch planning videos every week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!